Yo, what up, bitch? You back with another video. It's your boy Flex Mara. You know, the biggest, the illest, big dog status. Yeah, so like in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about all the things that are wrong in this car, check. Everything that's wrong in this car. I'm gonna be addressing it in this video today. So like yeah, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Check all the videos back here. You must check all the videos, like all my previous videos from where the build started and everything. So like let's get into it. So like first thing that doesn't work in this car are the brake lights, people. Yo, my brake lights don't work. So like whenever I step on the brakes, nothing works, guys. Like nothing. My brake light doesn't work. My reverse light doesn't work. And my indicators don't work, guys. I'm telling you, front and back, bruh. Front and back, my indicators don't work, Joe. So I can't indicate on the road. Imagine. My brake lights don't work. When I step on the brakes, the car brakes at least. But the rear brake lights don't work, bruh. Crazy. Okay, sharp reverse light. Reverse light, I don't care, bruh. It's reverse lights. Okay, maybe at night it's gonna be a floppy check. Mara, reverse light, just take out my head out the window. You know most drivers. But my indicator doesn't work and my brake light doesn't work. The second thing that doesn't work on my car is the door, bruh. The driver's door. Yo, the driver's door, guys, doesn't open, doesn't close. The mechanism is broken. Let me show you. So like, as you can see, guys, doesn't shut. Must I tell you why? I ain't got no mechanism, dog. Okay, I do have the mechanism. Let me show you all first. There's the mechanism, guys. But as you can see, this thing is broken, bruh. Doesn't work, bruh. I need a new mechanism. Door mechanism doesn't work, bro. So I can't open and close my driver's door, dog. I'm sure you wonder how I drive without the door mechanism, the door lock mechanism. Hey, yeah, hey, you know, man. Gotta make a plan, man. Black man makes a plan. So that's the second thing that doesn't work. The third thing that doesn't work on my car is the driver's side door window. Like that window thing, that mechanism of the window doesn't work, bruh. Broken. Can't even open my window now. Yo, let me show you all, guys. As you can see, guys, my thing does not turn backwards. Check. Thing is broken. This check. The thing that didn't even plug to the window, dog. Oh yeah, and this is how I this is my makeshift door lock, check. Just tied there. Just tied there on the seat here, check. So I tied up there, then it closes. So like I use a screwdriver now, check. See, it even ruined my tint. Just fucking screwdriver. So this screwdriver, dog, that's what I use to hold the window straight up. Yeah. So like in general, the whole driver's side though, the whole side of the driver, I need everything, and like I need the window, what, the door lock. Let me check the handle. Klar, even a new handle. I also need a new handle outside, klar. Yeah, so everything on the driver's side though, I need everything. Except this window thing for the mirror. Yeah, the thing works fresh. When this window thing I'm talking about, you check. It works. As you can see, the mirror is moving. So like yeah. That's the third thing that doesn't work on my car. Oh, what's broken? Yeah. Now I'm going to part number 4 that's broken. The fourth part that's broken is my passenger side door handle outside, dog. I don't have one. I do have one, but I think it doesn't work to check. So I just need a new one. As you can see, guys, no door lock, dog. But inside, it works, bro. It opens. Also, this mirror thing works. Yeah. Oh, and I don't have this thing. You know the thing to pull up to lock this door? I don't have it, dog. Crazy. Yeah. That's... Oh, and you see my window wine on the left on this door? It opens soft, but it wants crack. It wants power, dog. To close, it makes that weird sound. But hey, if it's not broken, it's okay. So like the fifth thing that doesn't work, the fifth, is it the fifth? Yeah, the fifth thing that doesn't work in my car is the radio, bro. Yo, my radio doesn't work, guys. It's the radio itself, it's broken. I bought it from the owner when it was broken, well, so my radio is broken. My aircon doesn't switch on, total. My aircon doesn't work, guys. Ash, let me just show you all this part before I go to the other part that's broken inside. Radio doesn't work, doesn't switch on, nothing. When I want to blow air, nothing. But the lights work here. These lights work. Does this switch on at night? I'm sure it switches on this thing. Maybe it's not plugged. I must open and check. But this doesn't work, bro. But this switches on. When I switch on the lights, this switches on. The cluster switches on. But this doesn't switch on, dog. And I'm sure it must switches on. It must switch on at night. I'll check into it. But this doesn't work. This doesn't work. This is broken. I just yank it open, dog. I use double-sided tape to make it stick. Yeah. Now I jumped over to the driver's side. And what's broken in the inside? Yeah, ne? Ash. So like my interior, the lights doesn't switch on. And when I take off my key, when I turn off my car, like, and I remove the key, my dashboard goes, like it stops working, dog. Those, like, let me just show you. Like when I switch off my car, wherever the needles were, they stop right there, dog. Like it doesn't work. And I know what's the problem. The problem is me, guys, yo. Like, I plugged in a relay where it wasn't supposed to be plugged, and then there was a lot of smoke coming out, so like switched it off, removed the relay. After I removed the relay, now whenever I put in a new fuse for the interior lights and this dashboard thing, it bursts, bro. Like it bursts on the spot. Like as soon as I plug it in, shires. Like it just sparks, dog. Like it fries the fuse. So it's the fuse. I think the two wires crossed. I don't know, Marie. It's broken, guys. My indicators don't work. Ish. Yeah. So that's basically it. Oh, and gear 5 doesn't work, guys. I really don't have gear 5. I can't even feel it, though. Let me show you. Yeah, guys, so like all my gears work. That's reverse. That's 2, 1, 3, 4. But I don't have gear 5. That's 3, guys. Trust me. That's gear 3. That's gear 4. And sometimes they go in smooth, sometimes they don't go in smooth, you check. But that's gear 3, that's 4, that's 2, that's 1. Yeah, that's 1. I felt it. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it can't even. This is like the very end, guys. I don't know, like this is the end. 4. So I don't know, maybe what's wrong. Yeah, that's what's wrong inside of the car. Going back outside, my boot mechanism doesn't work. Can't open my boot from the outside, dog. Crazy. This thing is broken, dog. I can't open my boot. This key doesn't work. So I have to open it from the inside. Oh, guys. Story short, my boot doesn't open, guys. I have to open it from the inside. My boot doesn't work, guys, as you saw. Now let's go to the mechanical things like the engine and shit. Yo, guys. Yeah. First things first. Yo, I think there's too much light. Perfect. So, like, first things first, guys. This car needs a service. Overall service, like a major service. It needs also a gearbox service, and it also needs to service the gearbox. As you can see, guys, this seal is leaking. I think it's for the select. Yeah, it's for the select. This seal is leaking gearbox oil. As you can see, guys. Also here, it's leaking. I think also my selector is leaking. It's leaking from where? I think it's leaking from the selector. Here or here. I don't know if it needs a seal or what. Also my CV, where my CV joint weight plugs. I don't know why it's wet. I'll go and assess it right now. I think I need a whole new like link, dog. Yeah, I think these links are cooked. Yeah, I think I need a whole new set of links. And I need to service the gearbox. So like the gearbox needs servicing. I need to service the gearbox. Yeah, I really need to service the gearbox. Like I need to rebuild it, like new seals. You know that the whole service kit of the gearbox here, because I use a 020 gearbox. So I'm gonna buy that set and rebuild it. I need what else? New CV joints and new suspension. Yo, guys, yo. But let me continue in the engine, then I'll go back to this. I'll go to the suspension. The other thing I need a new seal for the valve cover, for the cam cover, man. So valve cover, cam cover, whatever you wanna call it, yeah. I need a new seal because, as you can see, guys, it's leaking. And it's leaking to my intake. It's leaking. And the cause is... You see, guys, the cause is this tapered cover. It's finished. So I need a new one. Yeah. That's what I need for the car to be running good. And my radiator is also leaking, guys. But it's a small leak. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a new radiator or what. And it needs a whole new paint job because I need to spray like the engine bay and maybe do a wire tuck because like, hey, this whole spaghetti. I don't like it. Check. Yeah. That's what's needed in the engine. I need to rebuild the gearbox. I need a new clutch plate. So much just throw in a new clutch plate because why not? After I throw in a new clutch plate, I think the gearbox will be sorted. Maybe I also put in a new detent because I think my detent is broken. I'll assess it when I strip down everything. Now I'm just giving you all the overall of what's actually wrong, which is the gearbox itself. I think maybe something's wrong inside. I don't know. The engine is good. I won't lie. The engine is okay, guys. 100%. I also have a leak on the oil filter housing. The gasket, I think, is finished. Which I already bought the gasket. Check. I already bought the gasket. The gasket, I have it. But I'm just waiting to buy the whole service kit so that I do everything at once. I don't know if y'all can see it, but right over there, there's a big leak right there, which comes from the oil filter housing. That has the leak right there. Oh, and my fan belt is cooked. As you can see, guys, it has cracks. It's cracks. Check. Cracks. Like cracks. It's literally shearing off. It's cooked. I need a new one. Yeah. Oh, I don't have fog lamps, guys, and indicators. So I can't indicate no fog lamp. I need new fog lamps. I need fog lamps and indicators. My fog lamps and indicators don't work, guys. I don't have, man. And they don't work. So crazy. Going to the suspension, truth be told, guys, I need new shocks all around. Shocks are finished. I need new shocks. I need new front shocks, back shocks, control arms. Yeah, control arms are finished. I was thinking of going poly, but I don't know, guys. I'll see as time goes, but I'm thinking of buying poly bushes. Or go OEM. I'll see. I need new wheel studs. I want new wheel studs so that I can wheel bolts. I need new wheel bolts. Then I think the car will be fairly okay. Then we'll start modding the car, like doing the actual fun stuff, like dropping it, Huang sound. You check Xenons, car shows, chicks, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, so like that's about it for today's video. I was showing you all what's wrong with the car currently. So like I need to just tackle those things. After tackle those things, my car will be okay and will be road legal and feel legal and will be legal to be actually be driven on a daily now. Now I just use it to go and buy small things or maybe just take a night drive or and so on. But it is what it is, guys. I think this is the end of the video. I'm gonna cut it right here. So like you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that button, Stay tuned for more videos coming. West side.